I call these V-ups, V-downs. They're great to strengthen the shoulders and the core, but you can do this standing as well. So grab your weights. I'm holding 10 pounds. We're gonna start with the arms behind. Immediately engage your core. You're gonna tap in, V out, tap in, V back. Now this is a much better alternative for shoulder strength than going straight up over your head for a compression push, overhead reach. Tighten your core as you reach up, compress your triceps as you go back. Now this keeps the shoulders in a much more relaxed position. I'm working multiple body parts. You can lift one leg to the back if you like to add more instability. It's really up to you to play the way you like to play with these weights. I'm gonna focus right now because I'm breathing and pushing pretty hard, and you wanna go to full extension without popping the elbows, both to the front and both to the back. I'm gonna hold the last one at the top. Squeeze and lift, tight core, tight core. Hold it, lean back, lean back. You are done. V-ups, V-downs. I hope you enjoyed them.